hope you're all well. We're off to Lincoln today. Lincoln, yes. It's about 60 miles from here, so 120-mile return trip. I just wanted to show you guys the beautiful autumn colours as well. I think we're going to go through the A46 all the way to Lincoln. That's one road that goes all the way back there. Connects Leicester to Lincoln, the A46. And I'm sure the scenery is going to be really beautiful. I hope my cameras do it justice and that you can see the beautiful scenery that comes along the way. Well, it's the first one that I'm trying out, long road trip, motor vlogging trip. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the journey and enjoy the sceneries on the way. I'll try and describe as much as I can on the way through. At the same time, I want to make sure my eyes and my mind is on the road as well. I want to get back home in one piece. I think I took a wrong turn, but then again, I wanted to go through the road just for you guys. This is one of the most beautiful roads in Leicester, this side of town. Look at that, oh my god. SubhanAllah, SubhanAllah. The splash of colours. Take me around and meet up with that original junction that I was supposed to turn in. But yeah, I wanted to capture this side of town in all its autumn glory. It's showing me a drive time of 1 hour and 24 minutes, and hopefully I should get there by 3:30. But I think, judging by my driving style, I think you'll probably be there for about 4 o'clock. This route is going to take us all the way on the A roads. I don't particularly enjoy driving on the A roads, especially if they are like single carriageway. This is good old Shady Lane. People say it's haunted. I suppose that's why it's called Shady Lane. But shady could mean a lot of things. Don't want to elaborate too much on the shady bit. But yeah guys, how have you all been? Thanks for the support. I'm 1,000 plus subscribers now, so really appreciate your support and your love. It is very inspiring. It motivates me to carry on, to be honest, despite everything that's going on. The other day I received an email from a fan. It was such a lovely email. They said how they found my content so engaging, and that really made me feel good, to be honest. It makes all this hard work worth it. Look at this beautiful autumn colours. I haven't had much time to prep really. I wanted to rig up the audio as well. to leave early this morning. Today I'm running on toast. Just toast and a cup of tea, detox day, and water. The food was mind-blowing last night. The wedding itself, the event itself was amazing. Nice to meet everyone, socialise. Especially if it's a family wedding, really enjoy that. Yay, sun's coming out. All the better for the recording. Sat-nav is showing 30 miles and on the road is showing 40 miles. Stopped or they are still rolling. These beautiful colours again, guys. And the gorgeous view. Enter the borough of Charnwood. Now that is 50 miles an hour, so let's hit it. To be honest, I'm not one for fast driving. I like to enjoy the route, the road, the sceneries, rather than just getting from A to B. Melton Mowbray, Newark, Nottingham. Leicester, I believe. Glorious day, look at that. Cossington, Sileby. So we're now driving towards Sileby and Newark, A46. So like I mentioned earlier, A46 goes all the way to Lincoln. First time I'm going to Lincoln, never been there before. That takes to Melton Mowbray on the left, Cossington and East Midlands. since Roman times. Crazy, isn't it? Crossway. One of the most beautiful sceneries I came across in England while driving in England is Peak District. Oh my god, it's just amazing. I intend to go there someday again, inshallah. Right, first side of Lincoln, 38 miles, then got Doncaster. 39 miles to where I need to go. Speedometer is showing I'm going at 60 miles an hour and the sat nav is showing I'm going 57. So there's a bit of a, not much, a bit of a difference between the two readings. A46. Then you can join the M1 North from here. If you take a left, they'll take you to Grantham, Nottingham and East Midlands Airport. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is part one of a two-part series. So if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.